Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm good and hope you are also doing well. So in this video, I will tell you that how you can use ChatGPT to improve your English speaking, reading, writing and listening skills. Yes. So as we all know that ChatGPT is really very helpful app. But most of you don't know that you can use ChatGPT to improve your English fluency also. So in this video, I will tell you that how you can use ChatGPT to improve your English. So first one, how can you use ChatGPT to improve your English speaking? So you can ask ChatGPT to create a conversation between two friends. Like if you don't know that how to start a conversation when someone come to meet you, then you can ask ChatGPT to start a conversation when you meet someone. Like if you don't know that how to start a conversation when you went some hotel, like how you can start a conversation with a receptionist, then you can ask ChatGPT to start a conversation or to create a conversation and it will create for you. Like you can use ChatGPT to correct your pronunciation also. Like if you don't know the correct pronunciation of a word, then you type that word in ChatGPT and ask it to pronounce, and it will teach you that how to pronounce that word. And yeah, ChatGPT is really gonna be very helpful for you to improve your English speaking. You can ask ChatGPT to create a 30 days English speaking plan also in a tabular form, and it will create in such a good way, and it will really very helpful for you. So ChatGPT really help you when you want to improve your English speaking. Second thing, that how you can use it for improving your reading skills. Like you can ask ChatGPT for a book, that which book should I use as a beginner, and it will recommend you books in which English used is very easy. And you can ask ChatGPT for articles also, and it will give you article also by reading which you are able to improve your English. Like English used in that articles are easy to understand and will gonna be very helpful for you. And yeah, you can ask ChatGPT like if you read something and you don't understand the meaning of that paragraph or that story, then you can ask ChatGPT to summarize it, and it will summarize it for you. I think you understand like how much ChatGPT is help you. You can ask ChatGPT for recommendation of a good app also for your reading skills or for your speaking skills, and it will recommend you apps also for your Android or iOS device. Third thing, that how you can use ChatGPT to improve your writing skills. Like you, uh, whatever you write it whatever you want to write and ask ChatGPT to correct it. And ChatGPT correct all your grammatical mistakes. You can ask ChatGPT for beautification of the thing whatever you write, and it will beautify it also for you. You can get ideas from ChatGPT for your writing. Like if you want to write article on a topic environment, then you can ask ChatGPT, can you please give me some idea that how can I write on environment? And it will give you ideas, and those ideas very beautiful, and it will really help you in improving your thinking also. That you are able to think also that how to write on environment and what are the things that you can write on environment. So ChatGPT is really very helpful. Yeah. So if you want to improve your writing skills, then